My name is Alison Raby and I'm a Professor of Environmental Fluid Mechanics. Trinity House engineers had reported anecdotal evidence of large waves on their rock lighthouses. They were concerned about the effects of climate change and the fact that storm waves were going to be increasing in severity and magnitude. And so the situation on the lighthouses was only going to get worse. Trinity House doesn't believe that GPS is fail-safe, and so they are committed to having these physical aids to navigation into the future. The university had been involved in looking at wave impacts on the Alderney breakwater for a number of years and had instrumented that structure to work out the wave impacts that was experiencing. And so we were contacted to work out whether we could also instrument the Eddystone Lighthouse as a pilot study. On the basis of that pilot study, we started a much more comprehensive investigation called StormLAMP that brought together expertise across structural modelling and hydrodynamic modelling, field modal testing to try to characterise the behaviour of a number of towers in storms. So in terms of the hydrodynamic loading, we've done extensive laboratory investigations in our coast lab. We obtained information on the topography and the bathymetry from drone investigations and looking at archive materials. We instrumented our small-scale model to work out how the wave transformed around the reef and try to work out whether in fact wave loading was responsible for panels on the helideck being lost in winter storms. We conducted modal testing on a number of exposed lighthouses around the UK. Data from those modal tests were used to validate structural models, and then we're able to combine the hydrodynamic modelling with the structural modelling to work out precisely how the lighthouses would respond under wave impacts. On the basis of our investigations and the methods developed, we've been able to inform the lighthouse authorities, not just in the UK and Ireland, but even further overseas, by producing guidance notes for them that will inform their operations into the future.